Welcome back to Tectonic Electric, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. If you're into gaming or just want a stylish, functional keyboard for your setup, today's product might just be what you need. We're taking a close look at the Ajazz AK820/AK820 Pro mechanical keyboard, a feature-packed gaming keyboard with some really cool additions, like a TFT screen and a multifunctional knob. So, let's jump right in. This is the Ajazz AK820/AK820 Pro, and right off the bat, you'll notice its sleek design. It's available in both wired and wireless modes, including 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth connectivity, making it versatile for various setups. But the star of the show here is this TFT screen. Unlike your average keyboard, the Ajazz AK820 Pro includes a small screen that adds a futuristic touch to your gaming or workstation. You can customize it to display various functions, such as system stats, time, or even game-related data. It's not just a visual treat, but also a useful tool for monitoring key aspects of your PC's performance. Another standout feature is this multifunctional knob. This allows you to control volume, switch tracks, adjust brightness, and more with just a simple twist or press. It's all about making your life easier while you're immersed in gameplay or working. Now, onto the mechanical keys. The Ajazz AK820/AK820 Pro comes with premium mechanical switches that provide satisfying tactile feedback and durability. Whether you're gaming or typing, the keystrokes are smooth, precise, and customizable to your preferences. With wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth options, you're not tied down to one connection type. This flexibility makes it a great choice for gamers and professionals alike. Plus, the wireless mode ensures you don't have to worry about input lag, thanks to its low latency performance. Of course, no gaming keyboard would be complete without RGB lighting. The AK820 Pro offers full customization of its backlighting, letting you choose from a wide array of colors and effects. Whether you want a subtle glow or a full-on light show, this keyboard has you covered. In conclusion, the Ajazz AK820/AK820 Pro mechanical keyboard is not just about looks. It's packed with features that will enhance your gaming experience. From the TFT screen and multif